Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you one of the easiest, most delicious ways to make chicken thighs. The chicken is packed with flavor, very delicious. The flavor is a combination of sweet, spicy, and savory. Let's get started. We're using skinless bone-in chicken thighs for this recipe, and we're going to start by patting the chicken dry with a paper towel. Once the chicken is patted dry, we're going to put together a delicious dry rub seasoning for the chicken. We have some brown sugar in this bowl. Into that, we're adding some garlic powder, onion powder, some dried oregano, paprika, cayenne pepper, red pepper flakes, salt, and black pepper. Go ahead and mix the spices together. Once everything is well mixed in, we're going to season the chicken. Season the chicken generously on both sides. Make sure you pat the seasoning into the chicken, that way it sticks well. Once the chicken is very well seasoned, we're going to start cooking. We're going to melt some butter in a hot skillet over medium-high heat. Once the butter has melted, continue to cook it for about 1 minute. That way the butter can brown up. Browning the butter gives it a nutty flavor that smells so good, and it's going to add so much flavor to the chicken. Next, add the seasoned chicken thighs to the browned butter. As soon as the chicken gets into the pan, don't move them. Allow them to sear for about 5 minutes. When the chicken is done searing, turn them over. We're looking for this beautiful golden brown color. This will give the chicken so much flavor. Once you turn your chicken over, you're going to place the pan into a 400 Fahrenheit preheated oven. Then finish cooking the chicken for 30 to 35 minutes. The chicken will come out so flavorful and smelling really good. By the way, this recipe can also be made with boneless chicken thighs. Whether you use boneless chicken or bone-in chicken, your chicken will come out so flavorful and delicious. You can serve this recipe with sauteed rice and vegetables or mashed potatoes. The chicken is so juicy, delicious. This is one of my favorite ways to make chicken thighs. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!